Hi, sixth graders. These are going to be your stations that you'll be working on today and tomorrow. So you're going to start today with the input stations, which are explore it, read it, watch it, and research it. Those are on the left-hand side here. And then tomorrow you'll do the output stations, write it, assess it, organize it, and illustrate it. The challenge it stations aren't required, so you don't need to do those unless you choose. In the watch it station, you're going to click on the link, and you are going to answer the questions over here on the side as you go. For the read it, you will read through the activity and there will be an audio on this one. So you'll read through it and then over on the side you will write the definitions of those terms. Same thing on the second page. And then the third slide for read it, you will answer the questions and you can find all those answers in the reading. Explore it says, imagine you could zoom into the atomic level. An element would look something like this. Each shape represents one atom. So what do you notice about this sample? And that's what you're going to write over here on the side. Same thing on part 2 and part 3. And then part 4, it says drag and drop the shapes below into the table to create visual representations of elements, compounds, and mixtures. So you can go back on the slides before that to help you. We did something similar to this in the drag and drop, so this is review for you. For Research It, you're going to click on the link right there and use that website to answer the questions. Organize It, you're going to drag the pieces into the correct column if they're an element, a compound, or a mixture. Illustrate It, draw a model of an element, compound, and mixture and label them. Use different colored circles to represent different atoms. And on the next slide, it tells you how you can insert it. So you could do like a Google Draw and insert it into this box, or you can draw it on a piece of paper, take a photo, and submit it in the box. Write It, explain what a compound is and how you can tell one by looking at a chemical formula. How many different elements are present in C6H12O6? How do you know? And what is an element? Assess It, you're going to answer the questions. And then this one, you will fill in the blanks. And you can find all of these words in the Read It section. So that is all that we have in here. I didn't actually even include the challenge it part. So go ahead, let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.